This is a second-hand YANMAR 55-6 hydraulic crawler excavator. The YANMAR 55-6 excavator is equipped with the original YANMAR 4T MV88 engine. Good performance, very flexible. Boom swing function. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,320 kilograms. The bucket capacity is 0.16 cubic meters. Power is 35.5 kilowatt. Widely used in construction and farm. Zero tail swing. Clean and amazing appearance. Used excavators are more cost-effective.